Hello students, today I am explaining what is the difference of acidity between alcohol and phenol. So alcohols ROH and phenols AROH. See here, this is alkene group is attached with the hydroxyl group. Here aromatic group is attached with the hydroxyl group, right? So we'll see what is going to affect. Polar nature of OH is going to be going to affect the strength of the OH. Let's suppose here जितना आपका ऑक्सीजन एंड हाइड्रोजन का स्ट्रॉन्ग बॉन्डिंग होगी उतना ज्यादा वो इजीली उसको नहीं जाने देगा, हाइड्रोजन को जाने देगा। तो उससे क्या होगा, आपका जितना ज्यादा इनका बॉन्ड स्ट्रॉन्ग होगा उतना ज्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड होगा, राइट? स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड होगा, पोलैरिटी बढ़ेगी, इलेक्ट्रॉन पोलैरिटी बढ़ेगी और फिर ये इनका बॉन्ड स्ट्रॉन्ग होगा और हाइड्रोजन को नहीं जाने देगा, तो स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड, राइट? सो हियर बिकॉज ऑफ थ्री मिथाइल ग्रुप्स आर अटैच हियर। क्या है, ये इलेक्ट्रॉन रिलीजिंग यहाँ से हो रही है तो इसका वीक ऑक्सीजन एंड हाइड्रोजन का बॉन्ड होगा वीक, सो उसके वजह से ये जाने देगा हाइड्रोजन को इजीली। सो दिस इज अबाउट टर्शरी। सी द सिचुएशन हियर, CH3, only CH3 CH2, this is primary alcohol, this is tertiary alcohol. This is electron rich species attached here, so it is giving releasing electron to it. So here the bond between oxygen and hydrogen is getting weak, so it is weak, then it will be a weak acid. Try to understand on that way, right? What happens when any electron donating group or electron withdrawing group are attached there? If any electron donating group are attached, or you can say electron releasing group, it is making weaker acid. If electron withdrawing group is attached, it is making it is strong acid, right? The same pattern goes in the alcohol. Alcohol also, because of four resonating structures, it is more acidic as compared to alcohol. Same effect we can show here also. Let's suppose if any electron withdrawing group is attached, acidity will increase of this phenol. If electron releasing group, or you can say electron donating group is attached, it will be a weak acid. Thank you so much.